Logbook entry 7X, Count Keeper 103 reporting from Lake Mindora. Quiet out here today, almost too quiet. But I like it. It gives me space to think, to test strategies. And today, I've got a number on my mind, 7. The strategy I use, 7 is really just 5 and 2 put together. So I split it. If I want to solve 7 times 6, 7 equals 5, plus 2. First, I take 5 times 6, equals 30. Then, I take 2 times 6, equals 12. And then I add 30 plus 12, equals 42. So, 7 times 6 equals 42. Wait, I just wrote 42. But for a second, I saw 46. Not just wrong, twisted, off balance. Numbers aren't supposed to play tricks. Gotta log this. It's what count keepers do. Let me try it in a word problem. I've been thinking, if I canoe 7 laps around the lake, and each lap takes me 6 minutes, how long will I paddle? 7 times 6. I use my strategy again. 7 equals 5, plus 2. 5 times 6 equals 30. 2 times 6 equals 12. Add 'em up. 42 minutes of paddling. Whew! No wonder my arms are tired. This strategy works every time. Wait, that's not right. It happened again. The answer said 46, and then flickered back to 42. Again, I need to call this in. Count Keeper 103. Something's not right in the lake quadrant. Possible interference in numeric structure. Not one of mine. Not from my notes. A glyph showed up. Transmitting. Report ID 7X189 to Glitch Command Center. If you're seeing it too, report to command. I checked my answers twice, but this one, it changed. Something's out there, twisting the truth. I'm going to fix this. No glitches will get past me. Apprentice, now it's your turn. Download, fix, 7X189. We've got work to do. Solenne, Count Keeper 103, log out.